1 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 goes into 8, 4 goes into 8, how many times? 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 0, bring down this 1. 0, 1 means 1. 4 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 1. So our answer is 20, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then you need to convert this whole number into decimal number. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. Write 2. 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5. So 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So your answer is 20.25.